Hello everyone, welcome back our channel. Today, we're cooking up a delicious shrimp dish that's not only mouth-watering, but also diabetic-friendly. If you're looking to add some flavor to your diet without spiking your blood sugar, you're in the right place. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need shrimp, 500 grams peeled and deveined, olive oil, 2 tablespoons, garlic, 3 cloves minced, cherry tomatoes, 200 grams halved, spinach, 200 grams fresh, lemon juice, 2 tablespoons, chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon, optional for a spicy kick, salt to taste, black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, fresh basil, a handful chopped for garnish. First, make sure your shrimp is cleaned and patted dry. In a large pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté until it's golden. Be careful not to burn it, as that could add a bitter taste. Once your kitchen starts smelling wonderful with that garlic, toss in the shrimp. Cook for about 2-3 minutes on each side, or until they turn pink and are just cooked through. Remember, overcooking can make them rubbery. Next, add the cherry tomatoes and cook until they're just starting to soften. This should take about 2 minutes. Then, add the fresh spinach and stir until it wilts. This adds not only a great color, but also loads of nutrients without any significant carbs. To finish, sprinkle over the chili flakes if you're using them, and season with salt and black pepper. Give everything a good mix, then drizzle over the lemon juice for that extra zing. To serve, transfer the shrimp and veggies to a beautiful serving dish. Garnish with fresh basil to enhance the flavor and add a pop of color. This dish not only looks fantastic, but is packed with flavors and perfect for a diabetic diet. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy making and eating this healthy shrimp recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our healthy cooking videos.